Bad breath, additionally referred to as halitosis, can be embarrassing and in some instances might also even motivate anxiety. It's no surprise that Save's cabinets are overflowing with gum, mints, mouthwashes, and different merchandise designed to battle terrible breath. But much of this merchandise is solely transient measures due to the fact they do not tackle the reason for the problem. Certain foods, fitness prerequisites, and habits are amongst the reasons for terrible breath. In many cases, you can enhance awful breath with steady applicable dental hygiene. If easy self-care strategies do not remedy the problem, see your dentist or doctor to be positive. An extra serious situation is not inflicting your awful breath. Bad breath odors vary, relying on the supply or the underlying cause. Some humans fear a whole lot about their breath, even though they have little or no mouth odor, whilst others have horrific breath and do not comprehend it. Because it is tough to check how your personal breath smells, ask a shut buddy or relative to affirm your bad breath questions. Causes. The most horrific breath starts off evolved in your mouth, and there are many viable causes. They include food. The breakdown of meal particles in and around your enamel can extend microorganisms and purpose a foul odor. Eating shore foods, such as onions, garlic, and spices additionally can motivate terrible breath. After you digest these foods, they enter your bloodstream, are carried to your lungs, and have an effect on your breath. Tobacco products. Smoking reasons its very own disagreeable mouth odor. Smokers and oral tobacco customers are additionally greater in all likelihood to have gum disease, any other supply of awful breath. Poor dental hygiene. If you do not brush and floss daily, food particles continue to be in your mouth, inflicting terrible breath. A colorless, sticky movie of microorganism, plaque, varieties on your teeth. If now not brushed away, plaque can irritate your gums and ultimately structure plaque-filled pockets between your tooth and gums, periodontitis. Your tongue additionally can lure microorganism that produces odors. Dentures that are not cleaned typically or do not healthy good can harbor odor causing microorganisms and meal particles. Dry mouth. Saliva helps cleanse your mouth, doing away with particles that purpose terrible odors. A circumstance referred to as dry mouth or xerostomia, xerostomia, can make a contribution to awful breath due to the fact manufacturing of saliva is decreased. Dry mouth naturally happens in the course of sleep, morning breath, and it worsens if you sleep with your mouth open. Chronic dry mouth can be triggered with the aid of a hassle with your salivary glands and some diseases. Medications. Some medicines cannot directly produce awful breath by means of contributing to dry mouth. Others can be damaged down in the physique to launch chemical substances that can be carried on your breath. Infections in your mouth. Bad breath can be precipitated by way of surgical wounds after oral surgery, such as teeth removal, or as an end result of teeth decay, gum disorder, or mouth sores. Other mouths, nostrils, and throat conditions. Bad breath can every now and then stem from small stones that shape in the tonsils and are blanketed with a microorganism that produces odor. Infections or persistent irritation in the nose, sinuses, or throat, which can make a contribution to postnasal drip, additionally can reason awful breath. Other causes. Diseases, such as some cancers, and stipulations such as metabolic disorders, can purpose a specific breath scent as an end result of chemical substances they produce. Chronic reflux of belly acids, gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, can be related to awful breath. Bad breath in younger teenagers can be induced with the aid of an overseas body, such as a piece of food, lodged in a nostril. There is a magic answer that can absolutely get rid of awful breath forever, and it is a 100% herbal and natural product. To contact the seller, see the contact facts in the description box.